Hello guys, good afternoon. So today is the day that we sold our condo already, and actually, sige, let's open the car muna. May dala pa akong ube guys for my dad from Baguio. But yeah, so today we sold the condo na. You know the good thing guys, I sold the condo to a friend. A friend na kilala ko since matagal na guys, siguro over a decade or two. He's also from Alabang, from the village I used to live. I posted it kasi in the Facebook page sa village. And yun, nagkataon, he was interested. Actually, the husband and wife are doctors. And they also work in Asian and St. Luke's, pabalik-balik. So it was perfect. The condo was perfect kasi malapit sa St. Luke's yung condo guys. And yeah, so we're just gonna go there. I just filled up some forms para matanggal yung ibang furniture na lang. Kasi they're also prepping for, you know, I think they're gonna change some things, renovate a little, add more cabinets. Kasi of course, guys, when I got the condo, bare talaga, I just added furniture, stuff like that. But I didn't add cabinets. I didn't modify anything. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna go there. 3 o'clock, well it's 1:30 now, 3 o'clock dadating yung Lalamove truck na binuko ko para mapadala sa bahay sa south, lalagay yung ibang furniture until I move again back to BGC. Now I'm in Makati guys, in a condo in Makati, and we're gonna, when I choose another condo, most likely in the same building as my dad or next to it, dun pa rin guys, sa may Mitsukoshi area, uptown area. I like that area. So I got used to it, I guess, and I like Mitsukoshi. And yun. So siguro by next year, I'll move back to BGC. For now, I'm happy in Makati in the building I'm in. And yeah, later I'll see. We'll go to the condo. Let's check it out and move the stuff. Wow! Ayun guys, so we're here. I-ano na natin yung table, itong malaking table. Ito lang yung malaki, no? Okay. Ito. So okay na to, no? Yung box. Ito. Yan na yun. Yung truck. Ayun, no? Malinis. Naglinis eh. Yun guys, so yan, like I said, sold na yung condo. My good friend who, like I said, who's a doctor, yan, nalinis na niya. Yung bedsheet, di ko alam, iba na to, no? Iba na. Ayan, may rug konti. Ano bang, wala na? Yan lang, no? Yan lang po. Yan, yung aking jersey, guys, tinanggal ko, naka-screw pala yan. Ito, no? So, bale ito, yan. Ito. Except ito. Yung toy van kasama yan, ha? Oh guys, kasi when I was young, ito yung binili ng mom ko. Hindi, sa kanina yan. Gusto niya yan. Oh. Yung friend ko guys, gusto niya yung sampayan eh. Matibay yan. 3 years. So everything else, ayun, ni-rearrange ng konti. Yan. Ano na, Noel?
Kasya dito yung sampayan. Dito yung pista niya.
Pero lalagay yata sila ng mga cabinet, dadagdag sila. Malamang. Ayan. So, yan guys. So, bye-bye to the condo. Ay, itong TV, yan, kila Noel. Noel, sa'yo na to. Ito ba yung remote? Oo, tama. Yan. O, may TV ka na. O, di ba? May TV na siya guys, smart TV. Mga ano to, mga 3 years old. Pero okay pa to. A-Vision. Hindi masyado mahal, pero matibay naman. Ito, iniwan ko na. Yung Samsung na smart. Maliit lang to guys, 32 inch. leave it with my friend and his wife and his family. So they have another TV dito. Siguro maglalagay sila ng typical pag mga one bedroom guys, naglalagay ng bench dito or sofa bed para makanood. Tapos yung iba sinasara to. Tapos may TV dito. Or walang TV. Depende guys. It really depends on you guys. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for the truck and bring all this stuff out so that my friend can move in. I think magmo-move in sila dito by January. Kasi alis sila for Christmas. So, ano lang, they're just preparing para tanggalin ko lang. Tapos, Noel, yung susi na sa'yo, bigyan mo sa akin mamaya. Iwan natin sa mailbox. So, we have 2 extra keys. Actually, 3 key sets yan. So, I'll just put it in the mailbox for my friend para all the keys sa kanya na. Video ko na lang para t-shirt. Yun lang, ang init, no? Wala bang Ako naman sa Meralco eh. Saan ba yung remote? Guys, mainit. On natin yung aircon. To my friend, sorry. Nandito. On natin ang init eh. Tinitipid tayo eh. Yung. Malakas aircon ito guys. Ilan horsepower to? Malakas to eh.
Bagong linis pa po, sir.
Bagong linis ba? Yun, bagong linis. Yan. So ito, kinover lang nila. Siguro they'll have this clean, the sofa. They just covered it for now. And yeah. So later, hintayin na natin yung Lalamove truck. So just for you to know, I booked parang hindi ko alam kung L300 na yung may container sa likod. Nasa 1.8. May kasama ng tulong yan. So tutulong siya para buhatin yung gamit. Pero madali lang yan. Ito lang yan yung kailangan eh. Actually eh. Yung maliliit na yan, madali na yan. Ito, maliliit na to eh. So, I paid 1.8 from BGC to Las Piñas. So, malaking bagay rin yung Lalamove that they have service na gano'n. Hindi lang for documents or motor or van. Meron din sila truck na malalaki. We actually used that nung binenta namin yung house sa Alabang. Yan ang ginamit namin to move our furniture from one place to another. From Alabang to the condos here in BGC in Makati. Tsaka sa Las Piñas, yung bahay. Yan, malaking tulong rin. And it's, for me, convenient kasi ang dali mag-book eh. Hindi mo na kaya, di ba, you don't have to call. You just book it in the Lalamove app. Okay, so see you in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm back in the condo. Hindi ko na film guys yung pagbuhat ng mga tables and chairs kasi konti lang naman. But yeah, it's basically all my personal stuff are gone in the condo before. So the new owner, my friend and his wife and his kids now can do their renovation or whatever they're gonna do with their new condo. So I'm just happy it went to them kasi personally kilala ko sila. We live in the same village before in Alabang. And kalaro ko yung husband sa basketball for such a long time. More than a decade for sure. Definitely, so mga 15 years. So kilala ko siya. And they're also their profession, they are both doctors. And diba? That's also the reason why they got it kasi they work also in St. Luke's. So, malapit lang. Parang halfway. So, pagpagod sila, or they have to kill time kasi alam mo naman, being a doctor or nurse, sometimes naka-standby ka sa hospital. So, if they have time to rest or time to just relax, then they could go to the condo then relax. Yun ang maganda. So, nagkataon lang na it was a friend who bought it. And it's good kasi personally magkakilala kami. So, we know each other very well. Diba? Kasi it's also hard to trust people nowadays and when it comes to purchasing something na medyo mahal, diba? You're talking about a lot of money and you want to make sure the person that you buy from legit talaga. At the same time, the person that is selling is also legit. So, yun. So, it was great. It's a blessing and I just hope that they will enjoy. I think they will naman. They checked that condo a good 2 months ago. And yeah, just one time, after we did the process now with the papers, the taxes and all. And yeah, I'm just happy it went to them. So the two young children can enjoy and just go around Mitsukoshi Mall. They can go around Uptown Mall, diba? It's very safe. That area is very safe. A lot of ways to go to the mall, diba? Basically, one street sa kabila, nasa Mitsukoshi or Uptown Mall ka. May Grand Hyatt Hotel ka pa for other restaurants and stuff or meetings. So that's good. Ako naman guys, I'm here in Makati. But I will move back to BGC. Magko-condo hunting kami ni Andrea with my dad's help. And we're gonna look around where ako kasi I already have my number one that I want to live. But of course, it's also nice to compare and to look for other developers, other buildings, diba? And to see good deals, diba? Hanap tayo ng good deals kasi of course, it's the buyer's market, especially now. And I think that will go on for a while. So, yeah, we'll do a lot of vlogs about that, condo hunting, and we're gonna make sure to film that for you guys. But for now, I'm here in Makati, a little bit quiet. It's a way quieter condo in terms of where it's situated. Kasi nga, wala namang mall magkatabi dito. It's more of office buildings. It's a smaller condo. It's like a condo and a hotel. So half of the building is a condo, half of the building is hotel. So normally foreigners ang nagsistay dito sa hotel. Some Filipino families, they do their staycation, they swim upstairs, yung ganon. So that's nice. It's a smaller hotel, so it's a quieter condo for me to stay in. Some of the stuff na malalaki, I had to bring back to the house in where Fanny lives now. So nandun yung mga ibang gamit ko. And yung iba, of course, the important stuff nandito sa condo. So I'm just happy. Yeah, I just want to say advance Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to everyone. I hope everybody's doing okay, and I hope that you will be able to spend Christmas and New Year with your family. Especially mga kababayan natin sa abroad na who wish to come to the Philippines. Kasi masaya talaga sa ang Pasko at New Year dito sa Pilipinas. Compared sa ibang bansa, I think Philippines is still the best. The celebrations, the Noche Buena, lahat, diba? Even the fireworks. So, I hope to do more vlogs next year, more than this year. This year I didn't do a lot of vlogs, guys. Mostly like car reviews. But next year, I'll do travel vlogs. I'll also do yung condo hunting. And of course, yung kotse. Kasi yun ang passion ko. I love cars. A lot of you guys who watch my channel, check out the cars that I purchase and I vlog and I give my honest opinion about the cars that I own. So anyway, God bless, take care, and I'll see you in my next vlog.